Now, if you have a jacket with broken zipper, or if the handle of the zipper snapped away, like this one right here, you don't need to throw away the whole jacket. I will show you the easiest way to replace a broken zipper on a jacket. I will use this zipper, but how to take it off from this bag, because I will not be using this bag, just cut it right here with the scissors. Just like that, just cut this zipping part and cut the other side also. Remove this zipper from the back, just like that. How to remove this broken zipper on a jacket from the jacket, and that is actually very easy. As you can see right here, I just cut it off one piece, and once you do that, it's very easy to take the zipper off. As you can see, it just comes out, and the next zipper can just fall right there into place. And I will show you later how to fix this part of this zip line so the next good working zipper doesn't fall off every time. Before you place a new zipper, just take a screwdriver and expand this hole on a new zipper a little bit, because you want to fit in this new zipper as easily as possible. And now just place your zipper right in there, just like this. Wiggle it a little bit to make sure it's in there, and as you can see, it's right in there. And now one final move is to take pliers and squeeze this zipper on this side where we extended it. Squeeze it just a little bit to make sure it catches nicely to this zip line right there. You can test it up and down to see how smooth it goes. And now let's see how the whole thing works. Put this part right in there and close it. And as you can see, this is perfect. It works. And for this part right here, if you are worried that your zipper is going to fall out, I recommend to take a needle and a simple thread and just do a couple of spins around these two last pieces of this zip line. And these two spins will be just enough, couple of spins will be just enough to stop your zipper from falling out. As you can see, this white thread right here, this zipper comes all the way to this white thread, but it cannot move any further. It stops right there because this white thread stops it from falling out, which is perfect for this solution. There you have it, my friends. As you can see, a brand new zipper for this, well, almost a brand new jacket. I don't have to throw it away right now. If you want to see some other cool tips and tricks, check out Rookie Handyman channel and check out the suggested videos on your screen right here. I hope I will see you in one of these videos right now. Take care!